This learning is Le'ili Nishmas Broya Bas Chananya, Maseches Kilayim, Perek Mishnayos. Otzitz Nokov Mekadish Bakerem. If someone has a flower pot that has a hole on the bottom of it, and they put grain in it, and they place it in a vineyard, so it's going to make both the vines and the grain to be usher. Vishe Einei Nokov, and if it's a flower pot that doesn't have a hole on the bottom of it, so even though it's also usher to place it in the vineyard, but nevertheless, if a person did it, Einei Mekadish, it will not make either of them usher because it's not really growing in the vineyard since it doesn't have a hole in it. The Mishnah presents an opinion that argues with this. Rabbi Shimon Eimer, and Rabbi Shimon says, Zeh v'zeh Eisrin, both of them are forbidden to be placed in a vineyard. However, V'lei Mekachim, neither of them will make the grains or the vines to be usher. The Mishnah concludes, Hamayver otzitz nokov bakerem, if somebody walks through a vineyard with a flower pot that has a hole in it and there's grain in it, so the halacha is that im haisef b'masayim, if while the person was taking this flower pot through the vineyard, the grains grew by 200th, which is the amount that's needed to make them usher because of Kilayim, so the halacha is usher, the grains will be usher. However, the vines will not be usher since the flower pot was not actually placed and resting in the vineyard.